presentations we have heard from the morning, all of them are based on very strong consumer insights and how to connect with your consumer more. That's what those presentations say. So therefore, I don't have anything new to say on that. What is the difficult thing is everybody talks about consumer insight. They said, "Kahan pe milte hain?" Which retail actually sells consumer insight? And what are the kind of consumer insight? How do you mine them? You go to consumer, they will always talk to you that, yeah, theek hai. It's like, as Henry Ford has said, that if I had asked my consumer what do you want, they would probably have said faster horses. They didn't have any idea what they want. And frankly, who is a consumer? What this animal is like? Me. I am a consumer. You are a consumer. Everybody in your family is a consumer. But still all of us are breaking our head what this consumer insight is all about, what do they want, and how do we harness them. That's one. Second thing, do we really know what do we want? That also we don't know. But how do we then take a decision? What is our concept of right and wrong? This is the wise thing, this is the unwise thing, etc. Who has given us this? I tell all of you to go back to the earliest memory of your childhood. And you'll find that even as the kid, you have an idea. You had an idea what was right, what was wrong. To get what, you need to lie down on the floor and cry. क्या आपको मिलेगा, क्या नहीं मिलेगा? So finally, do we really know? It's almost like as if we are like a program chip. जन्म से हम लोग को program करके रखा है. We know what is right, what is wrong, what is good, what is bad. If that is the case, then how do you get consumer insight and how do you leverage those consumer insights in your business? Therefore, it may be a good idea to see consumer from the perspective of culture, to see consumer from the perspective of societal trends, and then maybe there are ways of working out on it. I am not saying that I have found a way out. I'll just share with you some of the visual slides which I have gone into some retail outlets and found for myself, and just to cross check with you whether these are the right or wrong. My Yale's subject is from Indianization of McDonald's to internationalization of Haldiram. Said McDonald's is an established big retail chain all over the world, and whenever they came to India, they started finding their ways. They found the Indian barriers, they found the Indian inner world and outer world, and they have created a success story over here. And that's great, and that they should be, because they have been doing it all over the world. But what is interesting, that there is one section of experts who have been saying that this will destroy the Indian local industry. This will destroy the local model of retail. But some of them have really prospered, have really learned something, because they have understood their consumer. They know what is the right spot for them and how to leverage, and they have created a win-win situation. They have not only taken from McDonald's, they have also added both these two, and then they have created their own success. That's why I said that yes, Indianization of McDonald's is a great story, but I think bigger story is the internationalization of Haldiram. Let's see how they have done. Haldiram is there for all wrong reasons on the newspaper today, but I think in their stores they have done all right things.